Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Chasing. Is coming to you live from Bangkok, guys. Great time to be live, and we're going to be talking about the elephant in the room. What is going on with crypto right now? Very, very good news is happening. We're going to be talking about that. This is one of the reasons why we're seeing crypto pumping. So we're going to be talking about why is crypto pumping right now, and where are we going to stop? We're going to be continue going up a nice V-shaped recovery, or are we going to be going down, down? So I'm going to give you my take on things. So jump into it, guys. Some very interesting, excellent XRP news out there. You need to watch this video to the end. You definitely need to watch this video to the end. It's so important that you do that. You need to smash the likes. It looks like that, guys. I know some of you have smash the likes avoidance syndrome. Don't do that, and go down there, and don't forget to comment, guys. You've got to absolutely comment up a storm. I would appreciate that. Absolutely comment up a storm. It's so important. Comment. Don't forget to go back and watch all my videos. It's not financial advice, guys. So don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to smash the likes. They're free. They're free. And I'm giving away smash the likes all day, guys. I'm giving away smash the likes all day, and I've got my gel. So yeah, cool. I'm in Bangkok. Been here about 4 or 5 days now. So that is interesting out there. Had to change my visa for Vietnam, so that's it. I've got a new visa, new everything out there, so that is pretty good. So yeah, things are looking pretty good, and I'm off to Indonesia after this. Then after Indonesia, Singapore. Yeah, just doing the tour out there. So yeah, trying to meet as many whales as possible, get their take on what's going on in crypto out there. So that's what's going on. And guys, we are seeing right now that the U.S. markets yesterday. Let me get that chimed in. So yes, U.S. markets were green. That was pretty good. The Dow Jones was neutral. That's kind of weird out there. And S&P was up. Nasdaq is up, of course, 0.31%. And we're seeing that one of the reasons we're seeing crypto up right now is because of this. China and U.S. set to continue trade talks. Trump touts good reports from London. So the trade talks with China are ongoing now, and so far so good. So I did tell you in previous videos, if you go back and watch my other videos, I told you here absolutely that if we get the positive tariff talks. So go back and watch all my other videos. I appreciate it. Absolutely freaking appreciate it, guys. So yeah, we're seeing a nice V-shaped recovery for most of crypto because of this right now. So we're seeing that Bitcoin right now, it's at 109,000. We did hit a high of 110,546. Now we have this year-long trend line here, and you can see here what is really causing Bitcoin to be rejected right now is this trend line. Okay, this trend line is really key. We really need to break above this trend line, and if that happens, we're going to see $130,000 coming in for Bitcoin. Absolutely. Yeah, Justin, Elon Musk deletes post saying President Trump's tariffs will cause recession. Now, do you think that the spat between Elon Musk and Donald Trump, is this orchestrated in some kind of like deep kind of psych ops kind of thing going on? I have a feeling, because we can see now that the rhetoric is toning back out there. So that is pretty interesting. That's pretty cool. Also, just in Secretary Chair Paul Atkins says the right of self-custody crypto is a foundation of American values. So that is pretty good. So it looks like self-custody wallets and that will not be taxed.
Another core feature of blockchain technology is the ability of individuals to have self-custody of crypto assets in a personal digital wallet. The right to have self-custody of one's private property is a foundational American value that should not disappear.
Okay, so this is important. He just said that self-custody and crypto is the same as private property, okay?
When one logs on to the internet. I'm in favor of affording greater flexibility to market participants to self-custody crypto assets, especially where intermediation imposes unnecessary transaction costs or restricts the ability to engage in staking and other on-chain activities.
So that is cool. Basically saying that crypto assets held on private wallets are property. So this is pretty good, guys. I love it. It's really good news. Looks like XRP Golden Cross millionaires will be made in the next 1 to 2 months. So we're seeing that right now XRP, it's breaking out from its resistance level, and we're going up, guys. We're absolutely going up, and I think that we could see $3 coming in pretty soon. Just in China has reported begun accumulating Bitcoin. That's June 9th, possibly to build crypto reserves and rival the U.S. So this is pretty good. We can see a big giga pump. Right now, we're seeing most of cryptos are up, particularly the meme coins like Floki, Bonk, Fartcoin, Jumpcoin. All of these coins are up. WIF is up right now, so we're seeing a lot of big breakout for the memes right now. Bitcoin is up right now, 3.5%. Ethereum is up 7.8%, so it's looking pretty good. XRP right now is up 2.6%. Solana is up as well, and Dogecoin is up 5.8%. So that's looking pretty good. Fear and greed right now are at 71. Nice. Overall, crypto market right now is doing pretty good. Market cap is, let me give this a minty refresh, guys. Let me minty refresh this. We're seeing the market cap right now is 3.42 trillion. That's up almost 4%. That's pretty good. We're seeing the whole crypto fear and greed is at 64. Looking pretty good, guys. So crypto's making a nice V-shaped recovery right now. If you deep dive into XRP right now, nice recovery is happening there. Also, Dogecoin sitting right now at 19 cents. Looking pretty good. We're seeing the heat map. Everything is green. Ethereum is on fire right now, and I think we're going to hit all-time high soon. So far, June, which is typically a bad month for crypto, is looking pretty positive. So this is kind of outlier. As I said, we have this 2-year trend line that Bitcoin needs to pop above, and if we can do that, we'll hit 130 out there. So looking pretty good. It looks like XRP is broken out this ascending triangle right now. It's hitting resistance at 235. So if we can nudge past that, then our next resistance is around 260. If we can clear that, then we're on track for $3, guys. So are you scared on this XRP dip? Thinking of selling? Think again. The floodgates are about to open, guys. It's real. Here's the real catalyst that can take XRP from $2 to $1,000. Let's dive in, guys. So first, this is Monday, Tier 2 of XRP Academy. Drops the financial ball. Okay, well, let's get out of there. We've got the Ripple SEC, June 16th. It's the line in the sand. So if we can overcover that hurdle, this will be one catalyst to help take XRP to 1,000. Base 3 ISO 2022 global money pipes are about to be rebuilt. XRP is sitting in position and it's complying and ready tested. So that is pretty cool. 4, Ripple's XRP isn't an app. It's the internet of money, guys. We got China, Singapore, Dubai, all connected to XRP, travel, FX payments, treasuries, and routed Ripple rails. So that is pretty good out there. Ripple is the play. Most just don't see it yet. Bitcoin stores value, XRP ledger moves it. Okay, you understand? So Bitcoin is a store, and basically XRP is the rails, guys. So 9 XRP ETF filings are in the pipeline. This is pretty good. Musk calls out Bitcoin inefficiency. BTC's weakness exposed. Elon needs fast compliant rails for X money. So XRP fits that. So we could see XRP becoming part of Ripple, guys. I mean, XRP becoming the backbone for the X platform. Crazy times out there. So institutions are moving early. So pretty good, guys. We got a lot of stuff happening, guys. A lot of stuff. It's just insane, guys. It's insane what is happening right now for Ripple XRP army out there. $1,000 coming in, guys, soon. Looks like also breaking XRP ledger has now permanently destroyed over 13.9 billion tokens. That is pretty good. Justin, Ripple partners with Web3 Salon to support Japan's digital asset startup ecosystem. That is pretty good, guys. Dogecoin right now looking pretty good. V-shaped recovery from when we had this low here. Looking pretty good. And guys, go follow me on BTCC out there. 10% sign up bonus, copy trading. If you want to make money, copy trading on this platform is pretty good, guys. It's amazing, guys. So you guys got to check it out. It looks like Dogecoin appears to be repeating the pattern observed just before the last pump out there. Looking pretty good out there, guys. Doge is ready to soar massively again, guys. So get ready for this huge freaking pump, guys. It's about to happen. That's about all I got, guys. So I'll see you in the freaking next one. Don't forget to smash the likes and subscribe. I'll see you. Peace out.